Welcome. Welcome to the channel. My name is Justice. And finally, I think it's much better than yesterday. I hope it is, right? Okay. Um, yeah, I think it's, I just want to see if I'm audible. Yes, I am. Okay, so, um, okay, better just turn off this here because you'll be hearing all my notifications. So I'm just put it on do not disturb mode. Okay, so let's see what's missing here. It's just this here. Okay, welcome to the channel. My name is Justice, and we are in New York. So yesterday's New York was unsuccessful, and today's London was so-so, right? Was so-so until just a few minutes just now, right? I did manage to get this set up, but it just put me just slightly a bit on top. So I hope I'm not lagging. I hope I'm not lagging. That's all. That's what I'm hoping I'm not lagging. Um, yeah, yesterday that's what happened. So I'm expecting price to actually go up here, right? Like to go up and take other side. But I was expecting it to come back a bit lower, as in like inside here, and then we go up. That is what I was looking forward to. So that price to come here, and then I can put my stop loss about somewhere here. Yeah, just below the low here, and then target back the high there. But if price does go and hits my take profit, I am not going to be looking forward to getting. But if it just come back before we take out our take profit, that's good. I can then go in and look forward to go up with price action, right? So um, I hope, yeah. I think what's making this is probably the space. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it's saying encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or using a faster encoding preset. Ah, okay. Let me just research that real quick. I feel like just resetting my PC, like resetting, like a reset, as if it's the first time, when you get it for the first time. Because when I was streaming here, it was streaming okay. Okay, I'm just seeing if I can fix this here. I'm seeing if I can fix this here. Uh, okay. If I have to fix it, I have to go out, but I don't know if that will work. But I did put the settings. So I'm not sure then now. I'm not sure myself right now. Yeah, so I'm still waiting for this guy, yeah. So I'm gonna go on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah. So if price can just come back up here, come below here, I can go up. So that's what US30, guys. Let's see if they've got anything else. Yeah, so I'm still waiting for this guy. Okay, I was checking if I was audible here, or if I'm also how the stream is going. Let's see. Gold. Okay, I don't have a setup with gold yet. So this one, let's put in a alert here. Let's put it maybe somewhere here. Alright, also we'll put an alert with that one there. And Q. Yeah. At the moment, I don't see anything. You know, if we look at our economic calendar for this week, it's an interesting economic calendar for this week. Very interesting, right? It's very interesting economic calendar. And we can see that we've got Monday had nothing, right? Monday had nothing, like nothing, 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 nothing. Tuesday, so Monday was a fine day to trade. Tuesday was not so bad. It was okay. It was a good day to trade, which was yesterday. And yesterday, you know, I missed out on a setup because I was trying to fix this this I would say this let's see something here. Okay, yeah, I was saying I missed out on a setup. I was trying to fix up this the OBS, right? So then I ended up getting to two trades. Our bad, and that setup was a good about five to 5.5, 5 to 5.5 hours. So and that was supposed to be enough for me. So which was yesterday. Then, like I've set a new rule for myself now. I am no longer trading New York. No, I'm no longer trading a high economic impact days. If you look at the gap between these streams, this week's streams, and the previous streams before that, It's about 2 or 3 weeks. It was because I traded in a day. Not that I'm saying trading on a day is wrong, where there is the big three, but they have the power to move the market in any way they want to, even before the economic event takes place. And it just happened to me, right? So just to put for I looked at it. Okay, fine. Do I have setups that I have that can happen after the economic event? Yes, I do. But do I necessarily need to? Do I need those setups that take place in the big three in order for me to be successful, or my edge to be profitable? No. All right, I do not need that. So, um, I like, yeah, I'm just not involved in those days. So, I mean, today is actually my last day. If I can just keep the account where it is now, or just like above, I'll be okay. It'll be a winning week for me, right? It'll be a winning week for me. So, I'll be looking forward to today. What time is it now? Now it's 1:41 in my time. So, in about 25 minutes, 26 to 27 minutes, we're having this ADP. So that's all that we have today. Tomorrow is the NFP. Friday is the bank holiday. Hence, you can see they moved it, NFP being on Thursday here. So, yeah, that's what we have, right? So at least with this one, we're just waiting for it to come through here. Then we can go up. I'm looking at the wrong side. Okay. With NASDAQ. NASDAQ, I am seeing it take out. I am seeing potentially be taking out these lows here, right? Do I have a setup? No, I don't have a setup. Honestly, don't have a setup. Even if I want to get involved here or around here, this was in a time whereby it's probably preparing or I was on my way here or something, but no, right? So as US30 rebalances, I am seeing NASDAQ take out the low. That's what I'm actually looking forward to seeing, right? So we'll just be waiting for this guy here. I want to make sure I'm ready for the setup itself. I think it is lagging. Okay, looks like it's coming. Yeah, so it's good. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. So I want to just get the accurate area for entry. Then you will know so you can see it yourself. Yeah, so it's likely just about here. That's where my entry is here. So right about here. Okay, my risk, making sure my risk is in play. Okay. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, it's coming impulsively. Hey guys, if you look at it, it's very impulsive. It's coming, it's shooting. So let's see. Let's see. I don't want to push it. Okay, anytime. So we'll just be waiting. We'll just be waiting. Let's see where NQ is. NQ, SPX. Okay. So in about 15 minutes, how many minutes? Let's see. Yeah, in about 17 minutes, we'll be getting our news. Okay. Okay. So we're waiting for 30. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Come, Baba, come. I don't have anything else. Gold, I'm looking at it, but it's not giving anything juicy. It's not giving anything juicy. Let's see, NASDAQ. Just double check it, NASDAQ again, but I don't want to force, guys. So I'm not seeing it's only just 30. I'm seeing a setup for us to go long, but so in about 15 now, we'll have news come through. 15 minutes. So question comes: am I gonna be part of the news? I don't know, honestly. I don't want to be part of this news. I don't want to be part of it. It'll be nice if we are triggered, right? We are inside the trade, and then news comes and finds us somewhere, on top. Then we can easily put our stop loss into. You know what? I feel like this maybe. I'm getting this trade now when it comes in, but 5 minutes before, depending on where the trade will be, I'll probably go out. Yeah. If it completes and the setup completes, it's fine. But guys, I don't. For me, it's not a good way to make it. If you're always going to be looking at, you saw what happened to us. So that is something I said I'm not going to go through again. So I am just here observing, but I want to see because how many minutes are left now? Still 14 minutes. So to see where we are going to be, then we can probably get in the trade. Here we go out there with the objective to go out there. And by the way, here our alert this went off. And by the way, remember all of this is not financial advice, guys. Nothing you see on this channel is financial advice. That is a paper trading account. So I am just showing you. Nothing here is where I'm executing this here is a paper. But the one you're seeing here on the bottom is my account that I have simulated accounts. Again, nothing here is trading advice. making sure my entries are ready. Okay. Why is it reloading now? Why is it reloading now? Okay. Okay. It's live. Okay. I think it's connected now. Okay. It's a market analyzer. I'm gonna be using that. Uh, what is this now? I am not gonna be using that either. Okay, it's making sure everything is here, guys. Making sure everything is here. Making sure everything is here. Fine. I need this here. Make sure that's there. Okay. I see you're ready, you're ready, you're ready. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Come, 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 come. Let's see. You know what will be a setup? You are just there thinking, okay, let me get in to go down. No, you're not the one in control. You're not in the one in control of what happens. It can choose to go up again and then come back down. So you should stick to where you want to get in. You should stick to your area and of entry where you want to get involved, right? If you go on the hour, show you this is the order block that we are working with this guy, yeah. So we want to make sure we come inside the order block here. We've got a family gap, got another one here, and then we've got this order block here. So we want prices to come in there. Then from there, inside of OB, that's where we're looking forward to get in. Yeah. So it's always good to wait. Wait, 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 wait. I feel like whenever I talk, that's when the lag takes place. I'm not sure. Or if I move anything on the screen. Yeah, my camera is a bit down. I'm not using even the actual camera I was using here. I was using my phone, but yeah, I was using my phone. And then my cable broke, so yeah, that's what happened. Okay, that was trying to see if the other cam can work. Okay. Hi guys, star 5 minutes before news. I'm going to be a spectator. I am going to be a spectator. I am not going to participate in this year. It's okay. It can do whatever it wants. I am not interested. I'm not interested at all. So we'll just watch it. I am not interested. We will watch it. In fact, guys, I'm not going to execute, but we'll paper trade it. Yeah, we'll paper trade it. Again, nothing here is financial advice. We'll just paper trade it. We'll paper trade it. We'll paper trade it. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, just give me a second. In fact, let me just leave. Let me leave an order here. But again, this is not my. This is not my. Like I said, it's paper trading. I am not gonna get in here because of this news that's about to take place. Yeah, risk everything's okay. Fine. I'll be back. Let me just mute this here. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm back. So it looks like it tried getting close, but yeah, like I said, we are gonna be spectators here. I'm not gonna be involved. I'm not going to be involved. Yeah. What I'm gonna do this weekend, okay, here's the news. I am gonna dedicate time and probably flash this PC, create um look at this. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna be part of this all news things, guys. If it works, it works. And yeah, we are watching it. We are watching it. We are watching it. Yeah, we are not executing this one. We are just being spectators, that's all. We are just being spectators. Do this maybe. I think it's fine with this. Like I said, I don't want surprises, guys. I don't want a surprise. So I don't want surprises. Let me just change this text to stupid. So this is about 1:3, practically, yeah. In fact, it's even less than a 1:3. I think it's because of the spread. But yeah, paper trading, guys. Yeah, paper trading. Why spectating, my brother? Oh, because there's news. There's news, and if you check now, there's this ADP NFP. So, like the last time, right? I was in that trade, and it had a stop loss. But what news does is that it jumps, right? It jumps. Um, if it impulsively moves, it will jump. It can jump your stop loss and then trigger it later or whatever it is. So I am just gonna watch this one. I am gonna watch this one. I'm gonna watch this one. Being wrong is not a problem, but how much of being wrong is the problem? I don't know if that makes sense in English. I don't know if that makes sense. All right. How much of being wrong? Like, yes, I wanna be wrong and I wanna lose my $200. I wanna lose my whatever it is. But I don't want to be wrong by now. Having to lose an account or having to hit my maximum drawdown. So no, I'll just be a spectator, yeah. So if you see a responding Senzo, means that my stream, I don't know, man. I don't know if it really means it's not lagging, but I feel like it's lagging. I feel like it's lagging. I feel like it's lagging. This is actually a full buffer. My stop loss is at around here. This is my stop loss is somewhere. It's just a buffer. I don't have to be okay with it going. Yeah, that's part of it. It's part of the game. Being fine with it going. Let's see how did this news react with other guys. Let's see. Euro is looking like it's reacting very impulsively. Uh, GBP, not really. AD, okay. Let's go and see gold. Let's see how gold. Gold just became positive. So everything's like pushing up, right? Everything's like pushing up. So let's see with this guy. So we just want to see if we are going to go up. Looks like it might be respecting. let's see. Okay, let me check others. Let me check, let me see what the other guys are doing. Okay, NASDAQ, I'm not seeing much anymore. With gold, yeah, gold just bought. Like I was saying, I don't understand. I don't understand, but I didn't see anything with gold, and it made sense. I mean, one could easily say, no, we dropped, we took out these highs here. Now it's time for us to drop. But look what it did here. Look at this impulsive move. So, for the daily and the intra-day perspective, uh, when I mean daily, I mean like my daily, like what to expect throughout the day, right? Like the daily cycle. Um, for me, it's not as clear. It isn't as clear as I would have loved it to be to see. So look at this so impulsive move. Why here? I don't even see anything here. I don't. For support and resistance traders, they would say if you look here carefully, or whatever that is here, price is reacting, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, now it's reacting here. That's what they can say, right? And if that works with other confluences for them, that's good. But for me, I don't know why yeah, I can't see it. This one, no. Okay. So this was the only one that was clear. So here's the only one that was clear. Otherwise, this week, review for this week. I have to give you a review for this week so far. Ah, I'm gonna say it's 50-50. I'm gonna say it's slightly below 50, maybe 45 or so. 45 or so. Um, And 45 is still a win. Waving a 40, still a win. If you've got your risk management in place, right, in check. So yeah, it's still a win. I'm just talking about the rate out of 10. Let me say out of 10, the amount of setups that were presented. Yeah, out of 10, the amount of setups that were presented out of 10. It's about 50, 50, below 50. Yeah, it's not 50, 50. Yeah, it's just below 50. This will be a very long term. This will actually be a long term trading. Yeah, well, I'm saying long term trade. I'm referring to it's a trade you probably have to hold until, like, at least knowing if you're wrong. That's when your stop loss is. It's not so far. Like I said, it's somewhere close by here, right? And then, but as long as if it's above your entry, it's a trade that you have to hold a bit longer. So, and usually, guys, trades when you get in, guys, price goes up impulsively or goes down impulsively. It does what we want to see impulsively. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, sorry, guys. You're seeing what I ate now. Yesterday. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, yeah, I really need to improve the streaming part, but I am not. I'm okay with so far how this week has been. It's just yesterday. I think it would have put me. I would have been way above where I am right now. So no, it'll be shocking that I was using the exact same facilities. Like, same things right now. The place, right? This, yeah. You can learn a lot from being a spectator. A lot. There's a lot to learn from. Even if it's a winning trade or if it's a losing trade, there's a lot to win from it. For, from learning, you can learn from it because you would have intentionally said, I want to see now so that it can prove a specific theory or prove something that you have. And it doesn't have to only happen once. It can happen quite a few times where you're collecting this amount of data. Yeah. So it's very close to where my OG stop loss is, like my original stop loss is. So very close, very close. It's like smelling it, like so smelling it there, smelling it. If it breaks that low that just created, then yeah. And like I've said, if I'm wrong, price is going to go times 2 downwards. Is it something I should get in? No, doesn't mean something I should get in. So from here, we do this here from here to up here, right? And then from the entry to the, so meaning around somewhere here. Yeah, if I'm wrong with this, like it's so close. Maybe to some of them will be out if you're using a bad broker, but Me, it's like right there, right? It's like right there. If I'm wrong by direction, not by entry. Excuse me, and not by entry. Guys, I'm going to shave. Oh, it's beard. I need to shave. I think of just cleanly starting afresh, wiping, starting afresh. Yeah. So my haircut. Guys, winter it's difficult to go and cut your hair in winter. Just want to keep warm. I mean, you cutting your hair, it's you exposing more part of the skin that can be uh, seen and attacked by the cold. So, okay, don't want us to be too zoomed in here and then we end up losing a setup. So let's see if there's anything that's there for us as we wait. Okay, gold, I'm still seeing nothing for me. I'm still seeing nothing. NASDAQ, nothing as well. Okay. I don't want to really go to currencies because I feel like I'm now looking. You see, like I'm trying too hard, but this was just supposed to go by a long time ago. Because, I mean, why is it just loading there? Mm, yeah, no, no. Straight is not gonna work out, guys. Watch it. I am confident now. I just have seen why it's not gonna work out. I mean, fine. The reason why I'm not part of it is because of the economic event, right? That's one, but I'm now seeing a second reason now. I'm seeing a second reason. Yeah, I'm seeing a second reason. So I'm gonna make sure. I fix this stream. I want it to be so seamless. I want us when I'm saying I'm seeing it go up, I want you also seeing it go up. Internet is perfect, yeah. Internet is okay for me on my side, yeah. I know what it is. It has to do with some of the applications I installed here. So I will move them elsewhere and then I'll see what I can do about it. How I can use that, yeah. Go. Sorry, guys. Forgive. Yeah, I don't know if I did tell you there's a water shortage by my side there. So I'll try to get some water as well. And yeah, it's been for 2 days now, 2 to 3 days. The water has been gone. Yeah, it's a challenge. It's not only by me, but it's the whole area. It's not even the whole area, because I'm saying area, I'm probably just talking about the postal code, like quite a few postal codes, like a whole region, let me say, right? It doesn't have water, so yeah. Price is not supposed to be playing on my stop loss like that thing. No, bro. It's either supposed to have taken me out, or you're supposed to be way above the about to go hit take profit. So and it's about to hit my stop loss, and it hit my stop loss. Yeah, the SL hit. Yeah, so meaning now, if we have to test that theory of price is now going to hit the right, it's going to go times two. The price is going to have to retrace back here at least. Here, sorry, yeah, it's going to have to retrace from there, then go there. Well, I'm not saying it's an entry, but the point is, well, in fact, we're not even talking about entry methods. We're just talking about how price should drop from here, going down now to here. That's where the goal of the price. Being just taken out and then price going there, it hardly does something. Oh, good. See, guys, see, guys, you see, guys, you see, guys. So, yeah, that is what it's all about. That is what it's all about. I mean, guys, mitigating and avoiding a loss, that's a win. It's a proper win. That's a good win, guys. It's a good win to protect um your account, your capital. See how I even highlighted that my stop loss was way before, but as I was talking, that it's now taking out my stop loss. So uh, just get a message. See, being able, guys, that's one of the things which I'm happy about. Just being able to avoid losses. Yeah, it's one of the good things. Being able to avoid losses is one of the best things you can do. Anyway, it was violated, right? As we are waiting for that, is there a setup? Let's see, let's see. Is there anything else that we may be looking forward to? Hey, guys, all of this is just magic, eh? No, guys. No, 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 no. According to actually the quarterly theory, um, this Monday, the Monday that's coming, is actually the first Monday of the opening of Q3, this new Q3. So this week, this one here, is just X. So you can just find an impulsive week, or you can find a yeah, impulsive week. Anything can happen in it, right? As much as if it's going to be impulsive week, you or even a ranging week, your goal is not to know where the week is going to start and close. No, that's not your job. The job is to take a part of that inside it, right? Inside that week in a day, maybe take whatever that day has or take whatever that day is. Same applies as you go in a day in sessions, just like that. So yeah, no, I don't have. I don't. Excuse me, I don't see. Honestly, if this, I think, I don't know. I'm not, as much as I'm not seeing anything, I feel like giving ending it sooner. Yeah, I feel like ending it sooner. Think of ending it sooner.
The woman lied to the police.
Sorry, guys. Just trying to look in here. I don't know why she was lying to the police, that one. I don't know. Okay, guys, for me, this was a successful session. It was a successful session. I honestly do not know. I don't know if I am not seeing anything. Yeah, the market may do whatever it wants to do, but I cannot say anything at the moment. So what I was able to see was being able to avoid a loss, a trade that looked like what we wanted, but um, it turned out not to be, right? So being able to tell the difference is key. Again, the comment section, I think there's a lot to learn from that. Um, Conversation I had with Sans Otobe. Yeah, thank you so much for interacting, and I hope you were able to see one or two things from this year. Um, Literally, this has to do, I think, if you look at Monday and Tuesday, not last week, not the week before, but the week before that, the streams. At the end of the streams, I had a small little session which I actually explained a bit more about the difference between what is real and what looks real, you know. So being able to tell them apart, it's something that is able to help you to take solid steps. Make sure you're always picking and doing the right thing, right? So interesting. Yeah, I'm happy. This for me was a success. I'm happy, guys. If you're not seeing anything, I think this is just me trying to just toggle through and see, right? I think I'm just gonna journal, and I think I was going to introduce what I was working on this week, but this is it's something exciting that is supposed to actually help you as a trader. So I think I'll do it next week. Yeah, I'll do it next week when we are there. And yeah, I'll do it next week. I'll do it next week. So interesting. Yeah, guys. I don't think I'm seeing anything. Any special requests? Maybe before um, we will probably adjourn this meeting or this session. Any special requests? I'm seeing something interesting here, guys. I shared with my wife. Okay, yeah. If we are not gonna be here, you will see to yourself that this is where we're looking forward to go before we go check out. It almost becomes like a big 1:1, right? So if it if we are able like to gain a lot of data on it, what it will help us with is we will be able to, like for example, if it has a good, like maybe 90% win, like or 90% win rate, that thing. What we could even do is that it means that you are now getting back the risk that you had, that then you can risk, but it's useless though. Oh no, it's not. Always I'm saying is useless because usually, if you look at this year on this time frame, if it doesn't take the whole day to hit it, then if you are using maybe a prop firm that doesn't allow you to hold overnight, then yeah, it becomes useless. But again, you also for your mental psychology, you also want to be able to get in it, to not be doing other things while you know you're gonna trade now. You want to be when you're done trading, you're done trading. If it's time for family, it's time for family. If it's time for work, it's time for work. If it's time for church, it's time for church. You see. Um, so okay. Now guys, this is fine. I am okay with this. I'm okay with this, guys. If you haven't subscribed, come subscribe, guys. Press there, press your subscribe, and also, put your notification bell on so that whenever I drop, right? The video I was talking about was not this one, but it was these two. Look at, no, it's one, two, and three. Look at these one. Look at one, two, and three. That's where you'll find the lessons that I was talking about, right? So that's where you find the lessons I was talking about. Um, yeah, again, guys, please subscribe, right? Subscribe and you so you don't get to miss out. Like the videos. Yeah, I mean we are going up slowly, but yeah, uh, do the right thing, guys, and subscribe. And yeah, I know at the current moment there's not much people or there's no one, but these videos have got a lot in them, like a lot. They have really a lot in them. And one of the things I've learned about trading, you need to be a critical thinker. Yeah, isn't treat everything this fair relative to its um, yeah relative to its Yeah, like relative to its to whatever statistics we're getting them and not include them with that they're like and uh and if you're able to be a critical thinker, you'll be able to come back and actually see these things and be able to say, oh, if you are perceiving the gaps that I have currently before I even become better and better and better, you'll be able to 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 feel the meaning, become better. That's what I'm saying. I don't have anything else, guys, to say. I don't. I'm not happy also with the stream, but I'm happy with the week's results. So that's fine. It's a win. So, guys, until